Hello guys, today I've got Realme 16 Pro 5G and I'm going to show you how to fix the battery drain in this device. So, at first you need to open the settings in your phone. Let me at first unlock my device and here settings. Go here to the main menu of the settings and now here you need to tap battery. Once you are in the battery section, wait a minute, I need to lower my brightness level a little bit. Once you're here, you need to go to the battery usage section and battery usage by app. As you can see here, if you tap a few more apps, we'll find every single application that uses your battery. Now, the first application that pops up here should not be this application because you use your phone. I record videos on it. That's why I don't have many applications here. So if it's not this application, but if it's some Facebook, for example, or Messenger or Discord, every other application just apart from the system one, tap it, and here, as you can see, we have last 24 hours. You need to focus on the background activity time. As you can see, if you do have here, for example, Messenger, and you have 12 hours background activity time and only 30 foreground, you need to now go back and go back again. Go to apps, tap app management, and search for this application. I'll do Booking.com, for example, as I said, example. Here, if you tap battery usage, you will see power consumption controls, all background activity, smart mode, or restrict. If you still want to receive notifications from Messenger or from this application, you have the first, second, third, etc. You need to select the smart mode. Or if you don't really care about this, for example, if it's TikTok or some other application you don't really need notifications from, tap restrict. Tap OK. And now this application could be bugged when you are not in it. So notifications can be delayed or no notifications you can receive, etc. So back to battery. You need to do this with every single application. You see when you tap on it and you see unusual background activity time. Of course, I'm talking only about the situation when you don't care about notifications or want to have your application 100% working. So, apart from that, let's go back to the app management section. Apps, app management. Here, this device, Realme 16 Pro 5G, has a lot of bloatware built in, unfortunately. The bloatware, this is the so-called, these are just the applications that are on your device that are pre-installed, and these are, for example, games, for example, some shopping applications. These are the applications that their companies pay the Realme to have them pre-installed on your device. For example, here they have AliExpress, Amazon Music, Amazon Shopping, Blogblast, Booking.com, what else? Instagram, LinkedIn, Netflix, Spotify, TikTok even we have here, Timo, YouTube Music, for example. So when you see the list of the applications, uninstall these applications that are built in bloatware and you don't use. For example, if you don't play Blogblast, just tap this application, tap uninstall button over here and OK. And just do this with the selected applications that I've distinguished as bloatware, or you distinguish them as a bloatware. But remember, don't uninstall the system applications. And how to distinguish the system application? It has here either Android in the name, or you see that this is camera, and you don't have, if you tap on each application which is system, you don't have uninstall, you have only disable, turn off, force stop, or something like that. For example, here we have Facebook uninstall, but Files by Google we have disable or force stop. Now, after the process of installation, the bloatware, we can go to the Play Store. And I know that a moment ago I told you to uninstall things, and now we are gonna install one application, but trust me, this application is worth your time. Tap search and search again. Search for AccuBattery and search. Here we have some other application that isn't the legit one, but here we have AccuBattery from Digibytes. Tap here install button. Wait a few seconds and tap open. Now you can skip this whole tutorial. Here, as you can see, we have the calibration, so you need to wait a moment actually, because here our battery is need to be calibrated. Now I have gone through this. Let me tap here, continue. Now finish. So what do we have here? AccuBattery might be killed in the background. Tap it. Tap open optimization settings. Select AccuBattery. Set this to allow. Here, apart from that, you need to tap this again, tap open up settings, and do the same. Battery usage, but here instead of smart mode, select all background activity and all allow. Once now you go to the AccuBattery back again, you won't see this alert. So what now? Why would you install some separate application for battery where you have this in the system settings? Partially you do, partially you don't. Here if you tap charging and discharging, maybe not health, but charging, discharging and history, you'll see here in the history of charging the details of battery charging, how fast, as you can see, screen on, screen off, battery life efficiency, charge speed, battery capacity estimations, etc. Here, but let's focus on the main thing, battery drain, so discharging. If you go to this, you'll see discharge status. If you see that temperature is very high, the voltage is very high, the very high is red over here, red or some purple, as you can see, or even orange. If you see, maybe not orange, because orange is from time to time appearing on normal devices, but you know, if it's for example 50 degrees or 60, it's dangerous. Don't touch your phone. And then just try to contact device support and let them have your phone fixed. The overheating issues, or maybe some voltage issues, or some everything actually here in this device, in phone devices actually. And these are the most common things that can happen with the battery, so that it will be damaged and the battery will be draining. As you can see, if you scroll a little bit down, we can see more things. If you see that here you do have something red, which is of course not screen on, for example, but screen off, in deep sleep or total. If it's red, it means that you need to be alerted. Here the screen on, why did I say no? Screen on, it depends, for example, on if you are having your battery level set to the maximum. If you're watching, for example, TikTok, it depends on how you use your phone. So the best way is to see these three sections. Here the same as in here, just detect all this section and search for the red things. Then you need to contact device support and have your battery fixed. Here we have history, and the history is actually for you, just for you to see how often do you charge your phone. So that's it for this application. You can leave it and set it, for example, use your phone as you have been using this till now for a week, and it will be good to go. You can scan for this information after a week. If nothing from this helps you, you need to hold the power and volume down. It won't be the volume down, it will be the volume up. And move this white circle to the restarted at the top. Now your phone will be restarted completely, and it can refresh all the battery actually settings, all the sensors. It just refreshes your phone, and this should help you. This will help you with the battery. And as a last resort, actually I do recommend doing a slight factory reset. But if you don't want to do a factory reset, don't do it. Just back up your data and go to the authorized service. There may be an error that you can't find, and also me. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.